berth on the line tonight. Uruguay completed a perfect group stage that includes beating the U.S. in their last game. Can they pick up where they left off as they resume their quest for a record 16th Copa crown? Brazil minus the suspended Vinicius Jr. That means the spotlight on that man on the right, Endrick, who makes his first international start. Can the 17-year-old lead Brazil into the Final Four? I win last October. Tonight, they look to make it 2 in a row over the Samba Kings. Walkouts, anthem teams, and things have been tough for Brazil, for the 5-time World Cup champs. If you look at what has happened since the 22 World Cup.
First minute against the United States and what looked like a very nasty injury. Well, he's back in the starting lineup. All scans were negative for Darwin Nunez already.
And forward, it's knocked away, and then a collision on the outside. That's going to be just given as a goal kick as Pelistri is down. Just the 10 goals in the last 8 then. And we now need some help.
Making space and passing lanes for those seconds.
Nunez will drive it in from deep, looking for Nunez, and just ran out of space there against the byline.
Yeah.
That's very kind. And a big shout there as Militao got caught late. It's Rafinha, and that took a touch off the wall. And out for the byline. Pelistri's crossing the deck. Stabbed. Meant for Ronald Araujo. It's bounced back in. And it took a deflection there wide. That was off a Brazilian player in the end as Nunez was first to react. Once again in swinging ball. Allison stays at home and the header flashes over. Matias Oliveira, who scored the goal against the U.S. Monday night, going close there. Endrick now, great recovery by Araujo and the Uruguay defense. He bowls over Endrick from behind, and a free kick coming for Brazil now.
Yeah, this is a fun battle to watch between these.
From Valverde, repelled in the end there. Arana was inside to make Uruguay's high pressure, forces a giveaway, and then Nunez is tripped up, and that might be an opportunity for the game's first yellow card. João Gomes. 17-year-old to the middle of the field. It's not going to find Rafinha. It's cleared away. It was Nunez who was alert and on the scene just in time. It's good work in the end, or almost Nunez there just in time in front of Guilherme Arana. And now Naitan Nunez is down hurt. Arana got around the outside early, cross
Long. And
Nunez put it over.
Wow, what a miss. What a miss. And it's one of the biggest criticisms of Nunez is his consistent.
Wednesday, Endrick, great turn inside of Jimenez. Can he get the pass away? No, but he's fouled once again. It's Rafinha shooting territory for Brazil.
Well, and here's Jimenez straight into the game.
De La Cruz wide. De La Cruz on the decks. Rafinha on the run. It checks up on the bounce. Rochena to kick it away. And Endrick couldn't control. It's wide to Nunez. Nunez hooks the cross in. Finals. Nunez using his body to help control it. That's Valverde who tagged that thing. But it was Ronald Alisson who makes his first save of the game. Rigo wide as Nunez backed off. And then does he commit the foul there? No, in the opinion of the referee. Brazil bench can't believe it. It around, Alisson's out of position. Nunez, and that was blocked. It was going well wide, but it's going to be out for Uruguay corner.
His running is so good off the ball.
The other way for Uruguay. Trying to work it inside. That's whistled for a foul. João Gomes there. De La Cruz tackled away. Araujo couldn't get it on target.
Great work from Darwin Nunez.
The pass a bit behind Valverde. Valverde!
Oh, it's the wrong decision. They had 4 players in the box at the back post.
Rodrigo takes the bump. That's not a foul. That one is. Hernandez goes down. Rodrigo turns it inside. Chopped down from behind. Free kick coming. Yellow card shown. Hernandez couldn't believe that.
When I saw that first replay from behind, I was thinking, wow, yeah. I would not be surprised. I think this should be a red card. Absolutely, he's going to give a red card.
So Nahitan Hernandez is done. Sent off. Uruguay. Great first touch. Turns it inside. Hendrick on the deck and down to make his third save of the game is Sergio Rochet. To hand that one off. It's Valverde. It takes a touch off the wall to Uruguay corner.
It's probably the best case scenario for them outside of a